Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to learn some basic Malay language or Malay greetings. So we are just going to learn some of them, and hopefully that this video will help you when you come and visit Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, or even though you are not from, or even though you are from here in Kuala Lumpur but you don't know how to speak and some of the basic Malay, then this would be the great opportunity for you to learn same like me. So I'm just going to share with you some of the basic that I also learned from my colleagues or from my friends and from the other people. So let's check it out. What are these basic language or basic Malay language that they have here? So let's go and proceed now. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's just proceed with the first one, which is a hi. When they say hi, it's just the same as hi, but it's just different spelling. And next one is hello, and hello also is the same as hello in English. Okay, next one is the here, since Malaysia is a Muslim country, that's why when this they also greet, when they greet some people, they also say assalamualaikum. Wait, assalamualaikum. They say assalamualaikum. I'm going to repeat it. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum means to say is peace be upon you. So peace be upon you. So this is the great, because they are also like Muslim country, that's why they use assalamualaikum. Okay, so let's proceed to the other one. Okay, so when you're asking the name of the person, you will say, when you say what is your name, so you will say siapa nama awak. Siapa nama awak? Okay, so what is your name? And response, you will say nama saya, or you will say direct your name, so you'll just say Roni. So siapa nama awak? Roni. Or you say nama saya Roni, something like that. Okay, so siapa is who, apa is what, and nama is a name, and the last one is you, which is awa. Okay, so that is for the one of the greetings. And next one will be if you are asking the person's age, you will say in English, we will say how old are you, how old are you, and in Malay they call it berapa umur awak. Berapa umur awak is like you're asking how old are you. Okay, let's begin. Okay, so how old are you means to say berapa umur awak. Berapa umur awak. So berapa is means how, and then old is tua, and opposite of young is muda, yeah. And awak, as what I said just now, awak is you, and age is umur, Okay, next is where are you from? Yeah, where are you from? So in Malay is dari mana awak datang. Dari mana awak datang. Or it says, in short, they call it di mana. They call it di mana. Okay, so where are you from? So dari mana awak datang. Dari mana awak datang. Where means is di mana. You is awak, from is dari, come is datang. So it says where are you from? So you will say I am from Malaysia in English, but in Malay you say saya dari Malaysia. Okay, so the next one will be, this is the good question. This one of the most question will say how are you, and it's mostly often people always ask how are you. So every time you meet people, you will see how are you in English. So it's in Malaysian Greetings, they call it apa kabar, but sometimes they call it apa kabar, but some of they are like they also say apa kabar. Yeah, that's why sometimes they take which part of Malaysia are you from when you say something, like in the same also in the Philippines. So there are like intonations like apa, some of them they say apa, Some of them they say apa. Yeah, so that's the difference. Okay, then the answer will be baik. When they ask you how are you, then you will say baik, or you will say saya baik. So means to say it's fine. Baik is fine, and saya baik means is I'm fine. So that's the meaning. Or you will also say saya sihat. Saya sihat means to say I'm healthy. But it's very seldom to say like that, right? Most of the people always say I'm fine or saya baik. Yeah. Okay, so you may also say saya tak sihat. Saya tak sihat. It means to say I'm not healthy. Ayan, I'm not healthy. Ayan, both means ayan. So it means to say I'm not healthy. Formal is tidak, informal is tak. Yeah, so it's the same also in some of our language. Ayan. So informal is tak, formal is tidak. Tidak, silent K. Ayan. So both means not or no. Ayan. Okay, so this is one most of the concern your friend concern, or when people ask you. So this is mostly people ask you. So have you eat? In English, have you eat? In Malay, they say sudah makan, sudah makan. Informal, but in informal they say it dah makan, dah makan. Or say have you eaten? So you will say have you eaten, or sudah awak, sudah, sudahkah, they call it sudah awak, sudahkah awak, or awak dah. So it's very seldom to hear that words. So I always heard sudah makan, sudah makan. Yeah. Okay, so next greeting is good morning. Good morning. So they call it good morning in English. And in Malay, they call it selamat pagi. Selamat pagi. Or they also say, when you say good, you say baik. Selamat is safe. Morning is pagi. See? Okay, and then we also have a good afternoon. It means to say selamat tinggal hari. Selamat tinggal hari. Good afternoon. Good it means baik. Selamat means is safe. After is means to say selepas. Middle is tinggal. Tinggal. And noon is tinggal hari. Tinggal hari. Tinggal hari. Sorry, not tinggal. Tengah hari. Tengah hari. Oh my god, I hope I pronounced it correctly. Otherwise, tengah hari. Okay, not tinggal. Okay, let's move on to the next, which is good evening in English. In Malay, they call it selamat petang. Selamat petang. Selamat. Ayan. Good means to say baik. Selamat means to say it's safe. Evening is petang. So that's the meaning of it. Okay, and then we have also good night. So good night means to say selamat malam. Selamat malam. So it means to say good night. It means to say good is baik. Selamat is safe. Night is malam. Malam. Okay, so there's also say, when they say good morning, they also say selamat pagi. Selamat pagi. So it's meant to say good morning. Selamat is good. And good afternoon is selamat tengah hari. Tengah hari. Selamat tengah hari. And good evening, they call it selamat petang. For good evening, they call it selamat petang. And for good night, they say selamat malam. Good night, they call it selamat malam. And then there's also another word wherein when they say bye, they call it selamat tinggal. Selamat tinggal. So means to say selamat is safe. Tinggal is live, like you're living. But this one is too long. That's why they don't say selamat tinggal, because it's too long. So they just only simply say bye. So it's just the same when we say bye in English. Okay. And then see you again. So see you again means jumpa lagi. Ayan. See is jumpa or lihat. You is awak. Again is lagi. Ayan. Okay, so that is for the Malaysian greetings. So we'll see you again. So let's say jumpa lagi, see you again, jumpa lagi. And I hope this video will help you a little bit. And if you think this one can help you, then please do practice it and try to do it when you come and visit Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Okay, jumpa lagi.